Test case design and execution is the process of creating test cases and executing them to verify whether the software meets its requirements and functions correctly. Test cases are designed to ensure that each functionality and requirement of the software application is thoroughly tested and verified. Here are the key steps involved in test case design and execution. Identify test scenarios. The first step in designing test cases is to identify the scenarios that need to be tested. This involves understanding the requirements and functionality of the software and determining the inputs, expected outputs, and conditions under which the software will be tested. Create test cases. Once the test scenarios are identified, the next step is to create test cases that cover all possible scenarios. Test cases should be designed to cover all aspects of the software, including functionality, usability, performance, security, and compatibility. Define test data. Test data is the input values used to execute the test cases. Test data should be defined for each test case to ensure that the software behaves correctly under different conditions. Execute the test cases. After the test cases are designed, the next step is to execute them. During test case execution, the software is tested using the defined test data, and the actual results are compared with the expected results. Report defects. If any defects are identified during test case execution, they should be reported to the development team for fixing. The defects should be clearly documented, including steps to reproduce the issue and the expected behavior. Retest. After the defects are fixed, the test cases should be re-executed to ensure that the issue has been resolved and that no new issues have been introduced. Effective test case design and execution is essential for ensuring that software applications meet the desired quality standards. It helps to identify defects early in the development cycle, reduce testing time and effort, and ensure that the software meets the user's needs. By following a well-defined test case design and execution process, software testing teams can ensure that their testing efforts are focused, efficient, and effective.